Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change oil in an Acura MDX. First, let's prepare by gathering all necessary items. You will need a 17mm socket, an oil filter wrench, a drain pan, and jack stands for safety. Make sure to have about 6 quarts of 0W20 full synthetic motor oil and a new oil filter ready. Park your MDX on a level surface and let the engine run for a few minutes to warm the oil slightly, which helps it drain more completely. With your MDX safely elevated on jack stands, locate the oil drain plug on the bottom of the oil pan. This is usually a 17mm bolt. Position your drain pan directly underneath the plug to catch all the old oil. Carefully loosen and remove the drain plug, allowing the used oil to flow completely into the pan. This process usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes, so be patient and let it drain thoroughly. Once the oil has finished draining, it's time to replace the oil filter. The filter is typically found in the passenger side wheel well. Use an oil filter wrench to remove the old filter. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin film of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. Screw on the new filter hand tight, then give it an additional 3/4 of a turn. Reinstall the drain plug with a new crush washer, tightening it to 29 to 30 foot-pounds of torque. Now it's time to add the fresh oil. Carefully pour about 5.7 quarts of new 0W20 full synthetic oil into the engine's oil fill cap. After adding the oil, check the dipstick to ensure the level is correct, adding small amounts if needed. Start your MDX, let it run for a minute, then check for any leaks around the drain plug and filter. Finally, reset your vehicle's oil life monitor, and you're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.